Okay, here's Mia. She's gonna do the kitty cat puzzle from Grandma's bag. Okay, Mia, show us how it's done. You can do the puzzle. Good job.
That's his feet.
That's his feet. Right. That's where it goes, right? That's exactly where it goes.
Maybe it goes there.
That's right. You are so smart. Got it.